Hey there, business superstar. Let me tell you about AI CRM, your ultimate partner in supercharging communications. This isn't just another tool. It's the secret weapon you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. WhatsApp features. You'll love broadcast messages. Imagine sending messages to your audience, perfectly timed with custom delays and scheduling. You can even target by category or region. Handy, right? WhatsApp Gateway. Need advanced integration? We've got 14 powerful API endpoints for you to plug right into your workflow. Auto-read messages. Want to stay ahead of the game? Prep replies before your chatbot steps in. Think of it as your personal assistant on autopilot. Smart auto replies. Say hello to AI magic. Greet your contacts by name and respond with intelligence that feels personal. Real-time notifications. Never miss a beat with instant alerts on your device. You'll always be in the know. Custom schedules. Turn auto replies on only when you need them. Flexibility? Check. Chat app. Interface. If you love WhatsApp web, you'll feel right at home. It's simple, intuitive, and built just for you. Email? Oh, we've got that covered too. Custom templates. Create emails that wow, even if you're not a designer. Email broadcasts. Want to reach out to your audience at the perfect time? Schedule it and let us handle the rest. Data scraping. FIG, Game Changer, Google Maps. Scraping. Find phone numbers by region effortlessly. Perfect for targeting the right people. Scheduled scraping. Automate data collection without lifting a finger. Let's talk smarter. Auto replies, trigger-based responses. Set specific triggers for replies, so your customers get instant answers when they need them most. AI-powered conversations. ChatGPT steps in to make your replies sound human, thoughtful, and engaging. Your customers will love it. Sounds like a dream, right? It's all real, and it's waiting for you at AI CRM. So, what are you waiting for? Let's take your business communications to the next level. Start today and watch the magic happen. Welcome to AI CRM. Getting started is easy. Let's guide you through the sign-up process. Step 1. Visit our website. Open your browser and go to https://aicrmpk.com. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click to get started. Step 3. Fill out your details. Enter your basic information, including your name, a valid email address, a secure password. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from AI CRM. Click the link to confirm your account. Step 5. Complete your profile, log in to your new account, and fill in your business details to customize your experience. Step 6. Explore the dashboard. Once you're in, explore all the amazing features of AI CRM, from WhatsApp tools to email templates and data scraping options. That's it. You're ready to supercharge your communications with AI CRM.